Basically, for the past 7 years, I've been running two sales teams. Two teams wherein what we do is we recruit and train potential entrepreneurs and potential leaders in the sales industry. I really love the sales industry because ito naman din yung nagpalaki ng kita ko, 'di ba? It's a game changer for me, the sales, because it doesn't matter what your background is, ano yung tinapos mo, as long as you really are willing to work hard and smart for it, for your goals. And ang maganda pa rito, you can really leverage your income. So that's what I saw, wherein you can build teams. So my main business really is building teams. I love to develop people and see them grow and become millionaires as well. And in the process, of course, I make good money. And that's the reason why I love those types of businesses, both in Driven. We have property sellers selling properties, usually online and then sa mga kakilala nila, and mostly are doesn't have experience in real estate or even in sales. And also in Film Life, wherein we recruit and train financial advisors so that they'll be able to serve and save lives by talking to people and allowing them to take charge of their finances. Lalo na ngayon, no, sobrang important ng topic na yan, yung managing and taking care of your finances, di ba? At ngayong panahon na to, during the quarantine, the lockdown, I think it was never been highlighted as much as right now how important managing your finances were before. No, kung nagawa mo siya before, then probably lesser worry ka ngayon. That's one less thing to worry about. So, you know, the good thing, what I like about what I do is really, I will only make money if people make money, if people in my team make money. So, I have different businesses as well before, smaller businesses. However, the challenge is either I sold it or closed them down because I'm not that happy with how people are making money, diba? Yung usually the employees are either making minimum or sometimes lower than minimum, ganon. So I love businesses wherein the people I'm with pwede rin kumita or sometimes mas malaki pa sa kita ko.